Welcome back, folks. We got another one owner special for you. Guaranteed credit approval program is in full effect on this car, and it's a $795 starting down payment. This is a 2015 Chevrolet Sonic. It's an LT2, factory remote start, premium sound, auxiliary line in, USB, satellite radio, loaded up. It's got the blacked out wheels, super sharp, and 70,000 original miles on this car, folks. No accidents, no paintwork, one owner, ready to go. Ice cold air conditioning, factory cruise, windows locks tilt, CD, got all the bells, whistles, and buttons, and the blacked out wheels. It's sharp, folks. Service and safety inspection has been completed, and it has a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract over the driveline. Compliments at DasCleveland.com. Did I mention $795 starting down payment on this car? 2015, 70,000 miles, service contract included. DasCleveland.com. Come on out, folks. Check it out. Take her for a spin. Bring me 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. DasCleveland.com.